Welcome. Let's begin by going to the stock media, dragging down a white color, and extending it to 14 seconds to match the duration of the video I'm using. Now, go back and drag down the green color, then extend it to match the duration below. Click and go up to select the mask option, choose the rectangular mask, then scroll down to set a keyframe for the transform. Enter 45 for rotation, 0.30 for scale, 50 for both height and width, -956 for position X, and leave the radius at 0. Next, scroll up and move the playhead to 2 seconds, then set a keyframe for the transform. Scroll down to the position X and enter 0. Move the playhead to 4 seconds, set a keyframe for the transform, enter 0 for rotation, and scroll down to set the radius to 100. For the final keyframe animation, move the playhead to 6 seconds and add a keyframe to the transform. Set the scale to 0.70, height to 100, width to 54, and scroll down to set the radius to 10. Then, preview the result. Next, add a new video track, then right-click to copy the green screen and paste it on the track above. To create the reverse animation, simply click on the first keyframe and under the mask, remove the minus sign from 956 in the position X field, as shown. Now, select both green colors, then copy and paste them onto the track above, as shown. Next, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the black color to replace the first two green colors on the timeline, as shown. Now, click on each keyframe point for the two black colors, then go to the mask settings and set the blur strength to 3 until the last keyframe, as shown. Highlight all, then right-click to apply compound clip as shown. Further delete all empty track, then move the compound clip up. Again, click the compound clip, then go up to AI tools to select chroma key to remove the green color, then adjust the offset to 35. Now drag down a video clip, then adjust the length if necessary. Again, click the compound clip, then go to blended mode to reduce its opacity to 50. Lastly, scroll down to apply drop shadow, select tiled shadow type, go down to choose black color, then increase its opacity to 100. Afterward preview, and also thanks for watching. The template for this tutorial is in the description. Have a wonderful day.